This is for Chubby. This is another unboxing. I got this from Norman watches from Singapore. So this is what it comes in. GW pack. Nice watches as well. Let's see whether I can open this with one hand. If I can. Yes, I can open one hand. Let's see what's inside. American box. Thank you card from Norman. Also a sizing measurement inside. Cloth. Cloth. Let's see what it says here. It's a marathon watch. Let's open it up and see. Wrapped. Actually, despite the fact that the casing is made of resin, but it's actually quite weighty. Anyway, simple strap. Let me take away the plastic strap. Here's the watch, black, bezel protection, sapphire crystal, Japanese automatic movement, small watch, very simple strap. Reference, the, as you can see here, all black. Let me put it on, well, I'll put it on later, but this is just an unboxing, so this is it. Alright, thank you.